Welcome back. We're gonna take a quick look at FTX FTT at number 26. Sam Bankman Fried's kind. So for FTT against BTC, we've been hovering in and out of the skinny pink line, in and out and in and out. Are we gonna come back down, in and out and in and out again? Maybe. Could we consolidate, form a squeeze of sorts, some sort of a long drawn out consolidation before breaking higher? Yeah, sure, of course. But in terms of tradability, there are no clear tradable chart patterns for FTT against BTC. So I would preach caution. I just don't see any clear chart patterns for FTT, not at this point of time. Is there a possibility of FTT falling much lower? Yeah, sure, of course, but there's no chart pattern yet. Although there are mountain ranges here, right? Can you see it? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3. If we fall all the way back towards support and we form another mountain, like a descending triangle, boom, we could be heading much lower for FTT against BTC. But in terms of our tradability, I just don't see the chart pattern for FTT BTC. FTT USD, ooh, it's a different story. There is a it's not really that clear to me, but this is a slanted head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, collapse. This is a continuation chart pattern. So if anything, this could be a 5-wave move for FTT towards the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The immediate target that we have is $17. There's another further target at $12.50. I don't know if we're going to be heading towards $12.50. 1350. I don't know if you're going to be heading towards 1250. If Bitcoin continues collapsing lower and lower, then very likely FTT will continue dropping further and further as well. But we could already be completing wave 5, and wave 5 could be the end of the downwards trend, right? Moreover, if you were to join this together, you could see that FTT is kind of in a channel, something like that. And so but anyway, we're already under the skinny pink line, and as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain bias bearish for FTT against USD, right? We have been above the skinny pink line since the dawn of time, right? Since the dusk, not dawn, it's a dusk, dawn and dusk. Okay, since the dawn of time, we've been rising. We almost hit it here. We didn't. The moment we touched it, we crossed it. We never went back up. And then after that, we have been falling, which means that FTT has never went through bear season, and FTT's first bear season is now. We're experiencing the first ever bear season. Will FTT survive it? Time will tell, right? Again, you could also argue and pull this whole thing, pull a support line across, and you could argue that this is another very big hit, and we're completing the right shoulder, and FTT could hit much lower. So Sam Bankman Fried could be fried in that sense. But of course, it depends on it depends on what he does, right? If he continues buying failed projects and continues being the, what do you call that, a white knight? Is that what you call a white knight? Yeah, if you continue being a white knight, then you can't save everybody, right? And so I know what he's trying to do, but he can't save everybody, buying up all the failed projects, but anyway, it's his money, so it's his decision. FTT is more likely than not to hit $17, sub $20. Our target is $17. Should we hit targets, then we will probably be right. Again, if FTT starts forming mountain ranges over here, this could be a descending triangle. Again, if you pull this out, this is a very high quality head and shoulders. If we get a descending triangle over here, and we could collapse even lower, right? We can go past past sub $10 into single digit territory, single digit dollar. That's crazy, right? But if you don't form any high quality descending triangle or bearish, big long drawn out bearish continuation chart patterns, then more likely than not we'll stop at 17 or even 1250, and then there should be a reversal coming on. But again, we will take things one step at a time. We'll look at $17 first, so be very careful about going to a trade too soon. All right, I guess that's it for my FTT technical analysis. We're gonna take a look at Near Protocol next. See ya. Ta-ta.